uh, normal combustions as well as the abnormal combustion is IC engines. Just have a recapitulation in the last class what we have learned. We have learned in the SI engine, spark ignition engines. So this is the our cylinder and this is the piston and this is the carburetor. Air plus going inside the engine and there is a spark plug is this one. So when at the end of the compression, that means at the when the piston is going from the BDC to TDC, then we spark, as a result of which fire takes place, flame takes place, and the flame, this flame travels. This flame travels, then travels with the velocity Vf. That is called flame velocity, and this flame velocity consumes all the fresh charge, and thus the combustion is complete. So this graph we have seen AB. So this is the AB. What is the AB? AB is the compression. First, initially, when the BDC to TDC, the piston first is suction stroke. It takes the charge, then it is going to the BDC to TDC, then compression, then pressure is rising. So this process is compression. So AB is compression. So this is my TDC. So I am not firing. I am not firing at TDC, but I am firing just before TDC. That means how much angle? This angle we are calling it a spark advance. Spark, we are advancing the spark because the spark should be done at the TDC, but we are not doing at TDC. We are doing before the TDC. So how much is the angle? Nearly 20 degree. So we have advanced the sparking 20 degree before TDC. So we are sparking, but here immediately combustion does not take place. So combustion start here only. So B is sparking, C combustion take place. After that there is a pressure rise. So this pressure rise, then pressure rise. So this point CD2 is the pressure rise. After that again pressure falls because expansion stroke has started. And we have told that AB is called compression, BC is the first stage of combustion. This is called ignition lag. So this is called ignition lag. First stage is called ignition lag. Because why? Because the fuel takes some time to prepare themselves to ignite. So okay, if we give the fuel and air, ignite it, immediately it will not burn. It will take some preparation time. That time is called ignition lag. Then after that firing takes place. So stage 2 is called propagation of flame. Stage 2 is the propagation of flame, and stage 3 is the afterburning. So this we have discussed. Now we just very briefly. So combustion here BC. What is the factors that ignition lag depends? Ignition lag is the type of the fuel. What is the type of the fuel? What is the pressure inside the cylinder at that time? What is the temperature at that time? What is the reaction rate? This is a chemical term, reaction rate. And what is the type of the fuel? And amount of unburned gases. Because in the previous cycle, some unburned gases may be there. So what is the unburned gases there? Now CD is the propagation of flame. So CD is called propagation of flame. Here, propagation of flame. So here, in that time, the flame travels. So flame travels and consumes the fresh charge. So here has been seen that Vf during this period nearly constant. So during this period, Vf is nearly constant and is equal to 0.4 meter per second. So it reached it. What is the factors? That is, what is the factors that depends on this procedure? We have factors we have defined that this depends on the Vf, your flame velocity. The flame velocity depends on the turbulence. Mostly depends on the turbulence. Turbulence also depends on the cylinder design. Higher the turbulence, more the intimate mixing, and faster the reactions. And also it depends on your equivalence ratio that we have discussed. Equivalence ratio phi. What is the phi? Air fuel ratio actual divided by air fuel ratio stoichiometric. It should be greater than 1. That means it is a rich mixture. and it should be around 1.1 to 1.2 that we have discussed. So there are some factors are there. So if we can satisfy, if the engine speed increases, suppose it is running at 3000 instead of if we run it 6000 rpm, then engine movement will be very fast, so turbulence will be increased. If the turbulence increased, then VF will increase, then heat transfer will operate, because here we are interested QR. QR is the amount of heat released and QL is the amount of heat lost, and you always want that QR must be greater than QL. So at the time of propagation of flame, the QL, that is the heat lost, is very small. So that's why QR is high. That's why these things will, what will happen? So these things so flame will not extinguish. You have to record correctly. You have somebody should record it. Okay. Then Chopin to recording করে দিলে recording এ দিস তো. So this is the VF. Now and after that, this the last stage is the third stage is the after burning. So here what is happening? Hello. এখন ঠিক আছে? Okay. হ্যালো, না এখন ঠিক আছে? হ্যালো, হ্যালো, জাস্ট এ মিনিট, আমি আবার ঢুকছি, জাস্ট এ মিনিট, আমি আগে এন্ট্রি